So there is a question, two types of person remain. One is devotees and non-devotees. Demons and demigods. In Bhagavad Gita is saying Daiva Asura Sampada Yoga. Teacher, why Bhagavan saying this? To understand the qualities of divine qualities, they are Devata. And the demoniac qualities, they are Asura. You have to understand the qualities. Then you can recognize. But nowadays very dangerous. Demons in this dress of devotees. But expert person can recognize. You know, there was Samudra Manthan, churning of in the causal currents, milk ocean, the beginning of creation. So the demon entered in the dress of a demigod. It's possible. But Bhagavan could know. So nowadays happening like this. Nowadays, those who are faithful servants of Kali Yuga, they are in disguise of a devotees. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling this. Mathai tilak galay mala. Bhaktivinoda Thakur giving a detailed analysis. Everything symptoms of devotee, dress like devotee, neck beads, tilak, everything. But activities he is doing for serving the Kali Yuga. Fulfilling the desires of Kali Yuga. Fulfilling the mission of Kali Yuga, not the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ito Kalir Chela. Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling this is Kalir Chela. Chela means a faithful servant is called a Chela. He always follows. So this is very dangerous. If you want to get rid of Kali Yuga, you have to get rid of these type of servants, the Chela of Kali Yuga also. Then our Acharya Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Kali Kukur Kadana Jadi Cheo Hai, Kali Yuga Pavana, Kali Bhaya Nasana, Sri Sachi Nandana Gao. So many things our Acharyas, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Narottam Das Thakur, they all given everything. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, if you want to get rid of the dog of Kali Yuga is dangerous. Like a dog is there. You know, there is dangerous dogs are there. Sometimes you go, they see people release the dogs free. They'll bark at you. Very dangerous dogs. So Kali Yuga is very dangerous, you should know. Kali Yuga is compared like a dog. Create fear in you. Those who are serving dogs, they will not be afraid of dogs. But the common people will be afraid. So those who are a servant of Kali, they are not afraid of Kali Yuga because they are serving, they are together with Kali Yuga. We are one with you, fulfilling the mission of Kali. There is all these sinful activities going on. Kali Yuga, they are going together with that. But common people, saintly person, they are afraid of this, that we will become the victim of Kali Yuga. Who will protect us? Who will save us from the danger of Kali Yuga? The dangerous dog of Kali Yuga. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Kali Yuga Pavana, Kali Bhaya Nasana. One who can purify the Kali Yuga, the time Kali Yuga, and who can protect us from the fear of Kali Yuga is the Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Jai Sachinandan Shri Gaur Hari ki Jai. So know this is a formula. Kali Bhaya Nasana, Kali Yuga Pavana, Sri Sachinandana Gao Hai. When we chant the names of Gauranga, doing bhajan of Sachinandan Gaur Hari, then you will be free from Kali Yuga.